Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Fred Rolex. It's a good evening right now here in Africa, Kenya. As you know, it's evening, Friday. The weather is calm. I want to show you homestead when people are relaxing, working, just when they are at home from work. So stay with me and give the video a like and share with a friend. Thank you. Come with me. This is how we. This house. This is how we keep dogs here. We have a dog here, a new beginner, and the dog's name is Queen. Queen, come out. Come out. Come out, Queen. This is a German Shepherd. Come on. Come here. Come. 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 They give this dog a shampoo. No fleas. The dog is very clean, smells good. We wash them with a shampoo. We have a dog shampoo to wash with. So this is a brand new. I just got it from a friend, and now it's here. Life here in Kenya, in Africa, you have to have a dog to guard your home and even to stay at home when you are not there. And this is where we raise chicken. This is where we raise chicken. But for now, because it's new, we are going to bring more chicken in here. Right now we have 3. We have a rooster and 2 chickens. Soon we are going to have eggs. If you want to visit, visit. And then I will cook you 2 fried eggs. This is how we do things here. And here is an old house. It's an old house, and now we are killing the ants. Or it's termite. Is it a spray or is it water? Yeah, that would kill that. Oh, it stinks. Ooh. So this is we were digging to see if the termites are going to die, because they ruin things. Even at night, they might attack you. And this is how. This is the house. This is my old house. I used to live here before I moved to the permanent house, as you can see right there. And this is our kitchen. This is our kitchen right here. You can see. Let me show you how we cook. This is where we cook. It's we use firewood. This is how we cook outside. But the smoke might be really bad. And if you are new, you have to use little techniques. Okay, now we are taking you outside where we have a small garden. That thing stinks. It smells really bad. This is our small garden here. We wanted to plant. It's already done. Now we are going to put some vegetables here. I think they have already started coming. Oh yeah, they have started coming out, but you can't see them little by little. But within a week, we will be having vegetables. And what do you call them? They call egasare, which means spicy beans, which they eat leaves. That's spicy beans. Egasare in African language. So right now, as you can see, the weather is good. Everything is calm. It's no sunny, but the sun is about to lower down. This is African life. Guys, Africa is good. If you can guess what we are experiencing here, you will really love it. And thank you. Follow me. Don't get tired.